Hi guys, nandito nga pala ang aming grupo at ako po ay nasa harap ng upuan. Tapos sila nga po pala, sila Lovely, sila Aljen, si Ella, si Jelaine at si Jahara ay nandito sa likod nakasakay sa jeep. Pati rin po si Kim at si Marian. It nga po guys, habang dito sila ay nakaupo, nakatingin lamang sila sa labas. At makikita nyo, andito pa lang kami sa bakong. Habang nasa biyahe kami, kwentuhan lang kami at pinag-uusapan namin kung anong gagawin namin mamaya doon sa Pilar, kung anong kakainin namin at kung saan pa kami pupunta. At sa wakas, nakarating na tayo sa Flaming Sword ng Pilar, Bataan. Ayan, makikita nyo naman na nagsibabaan na kami sa jeep. Kasama pa rin namin si Kim, si Marian, si Ella, si Aljen at si Lovely, pati na rin si Jelaine.
Now, let's go back to the history of the Pilar and the Gigantic Sword. Long ago, this jurisdiction of town of Balanga, there were very few inhabitants. One day, a Spanish galleon was tossed to its shore by a violent storm. The galleon's destination was some town where it was to convey the image of a virgin. The Spaniards were greeted by the inhabitants where they landed. The visitors asked for the name of the place, and they replied that it has no name. The Spaniards suggested that the place be named in honor of the image they had with them, which was that of the Lady of the Pilar. The people consented, and since that time, the town had been called Pilar. Pilar has a history of its own tainted with legends, traditions, glory, and death. On March 10, 1801, it was separated from Balanga by the Dominican priest under the spiritual ministration of Virgin Nuestra Señora del Pilar. Since then, Pilar had produced great men. Foremost among them was Don Pablo Romano, considered as the father of Bataan. At a junction near the Municipal Hall of Pilar, there is the Gigantic Sword of Pilar, another historical landmark that symbolizes the bravery of the Filipino and American soldiers who faced the threats in our democracy. It was at this intersection where USEF soldiers on the death march from Bagak and from Maribeles merged on their way to Capas Tarlac. The sword is a symbol of the Filipino people's courage and gallantry in the face of external threats to the nation's democracy and peace.
Ito nga pala ang Flaming Sword ng Pilar, Bataan kapag ka may araw. Pagkatapos namin mag-video sa Flaming Sword ng Pilar, Bataan, kami naman ay nagtungo sa Balanga para puntahan ang Plaza Mayor de Ciudad de Balanga upang ipakita ang Death March Bataan.